Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Snapchat account permanently over your Android phone. So let's get dive in. First of all, you have to just open your Snapchat mobile application here. Once you're here, click on your profile icon which is on the top left side corner. Then on the settings gear icon which is on the top right. And once you are here, you have to just scroll a little bit down, and basically here is somewhere if you get an option to delete your account, which it will not show in your updated version, but in the older version you can see. So if you're not able to find it, no worries, I will show you how you can do it. So basically you have to click on I need help, right? So just click on I need help and it will do it for a few seconds here, so just wait. And here you have to just type delete my accounts, although it will show you in the suggestions. I'll just click on delete my account. Once I'm here, it will show you all the steps which I'm going to show you in this video. You can read it also, right? So this is for the iOS and this is for the Android. So once you are here, I will click on Snapchat account portal and it will redirect to me a link which is official link of Snapchat, and it's take a few seconds to load. And here you have to enter the email address or username of your phone. You can also use your phone number. So once I entered my phone number, so guys, once you enter your email address and your password, here it will show your username, and here you will get an option of delete my account in the bottom. So just click on delete my account, and here you have to enter your password of your ID, and once I enter my password of my ID, my account will get deleted if I just click on continue. So of course I don't want to delete it, so I will not click on it, but for you, you can just click on continue and that's it, your account will be deleted. But if you access your account in under 30 days, then your account will be get reactivated. So once you click on continue, once your account is deleted, don't activate or open your account on any of the devices. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.